Hi, I'm Oskar and I was in charge of marketing and just helping out whenever needed. I created flyers and registered different submissions to advertise our event on newsletters and other stuff. I also helped with anything we would do as a group and gave my insights, and I'm very happy with how far we've come.
Hello, my name is Benjamin Olson, planning on majoring in finance accounting. The role that I chose for this event was financial coordinator for any and all of the materials that we would need for the presenters and viewers, such as food, drink, and other necessities to put on the event. I also helped with coordinating with speakers and figuring out other logistics for this event.
Hey, I'm Sonja Strandberg, and I was the event planner, so I took the role of submitting material requests and forms and organized the food donation from Canes.
Hi, I'm Aleah Anderson. As the team communicator, I reached out to potential speakers through emails. After acquiring speakers, I established consistent communication by discussing plans. I then conveyed the resulting information back to my teammates.
One of our goals through this project was to make a positive impact by providing more people with the opportunity to improve their investment knowledge.
Throughout this workshop, we aspire to inform our community about the importance of Roth IRA. Go step by step throughout the process of establishing such an account, and then discuss investment tips and answer any questions that may arise.
The event will take place on Monday, November 21st from 6 to 7 p.m. in the 3M Auditorium of Carlson.
We will host speakers from Clifton Larson Allen that will explain the benefits of investing and then go through the process of setting up a Roth IRA. We will also be catering canes to the attendees.
Information about Roth IRA. I know a lot of us don't have really information about it. Most people get started when they're older, but it's better to start younger. So we had a little info session. Brought in these guys from the CLA Wealth Advisors, and I'll let them take over. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. And the students that asked the questions would get an A in my classes. They would get an A, and I have a personal finance class.
Do you pay like capital gains tax on that, or is that income tax?
Ordinary
tax. It's regular income tax. Okay, and that's based on when you pull out that tax. And you don't have to pay any capital gains tax on it.
I learned a lot of different information that I didn't know about, and I actually might start thinking about investing in one really soon because of just how much growth can come from it.
What are your thoughts on the presentation?
This is very important for students. It's very important for young people to know how to contribute because the Roth IRA that we're talking about is the best vehicle to put your retirement savings.
Thanks for watching.
We had a great time.
I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah!
Okay. Hi, I'm Aleah Anderson. As the team communicator, I reached out to potential speakers through emails. Wait, wait, can we redo that?
We can include that later.
Wait.
What I chose for this event was financial coordinator for any of and all of the materials that we would need.
Through this workshop, we aspire to inform our community about the importance of a Roth IRA. Go step by step.